Hello everyone, my name is Gülce and today I'm going to talk about distrusting others and life, and then I'll also mention pursuing passion. So let's get started now. Our main question here is why trust is important and what's the impact of distrust. We should know that trust is fundamental. Trust serves as the foundation for meaningful relationship and societal cohesion. And what is the impact of this trust? While some level of skepticism can be protective, excessive distrust can lead to isolation, anxiety, and missed opportunities for connection. So, what are the benefits of trust? The main benefit, in my opinion, is trust enhances well being. Engaging in trusting relationships contributes to overall happiness and fulfillment. It reduces stress and promotes our mental health and also our emotional health. So I want to introduce you to a term called proactive trust and explain what proactive trust is and what are the benefits of it. And also now I want to give you all a fact. When we trust others, a hormone called oxytocin is being released. Some researchers call this hormone the trust molecule. And it's the same molecule that gets released when two people are in love with each other. So that's how effective feeling trust in our life is. And if we could somehow proactively trust others without really knowing whether they are trustworthy or not, that means blindly, we would build a culture of mutual trust. And proactive trust is exactly that, trusting each other without knowing our real intentions, trusting blindly each other. So here I'm going to mention what are the benefits of proactive trust. When we proactively trust others, others tend to reciprocate our trust. This reciprocity of trust, in turn, is likely to lead to increasing levels of mutual trust in society. And by proactively trusting others, we would be doing our part in helping build a culture of trust and do our bit for society's upliftment. So it's not just our happiness, but a society's whole happiness we talk about here. Now we are going to mention the way we perceive trust versus actual trust. Overestimation of trust. Individuals often assume they are more trusted than they truly are. This overconfidence can lead to misunderstanding and strained relationships. So, what is the impact on happiness? Our main topic is happiness, so we will mention happiness. Misjudging trust levels can negatively affect personal happiness and fulfillment, as trust is a cornerstone of meaningful relationships. So, building actual trust. How can we build actual trust? To align perceived trust with actual trust, it's essential to engage in behaviors that foster genuine trust, such as consistency, transparency, and empathy. These are keywords to build actual trust. Now, moving on with the concept of smart trust. We have to apply some steps according to some smart trust. And what are them? First one is assessing trustworthiness. Before extending trust, evaluate the other party's reliability and integrity. This involves observing past behaviors and seeking references. And second one is starting with small steps. Initiate trust through low-risk engagements. Begin with minor commitments. And third one is maintaining vigilant optimism. While it's beneficial to approach relationships with a positive outlook, remain attentive to signs of potential issues. Now, we mentioned distrusting others, but what about distrusting life? This refers to a mindset where individuals believe that life is unfair or that negative outcomes are inevitable. Constantly expecting the worst can prevent individuals from fully engaging with life's opportunities, thereby reducing overall happiness. Therefore, we should embrace uncertainty and maintain a hopeful outlook. This is the healthiest perspective. So, what should be our perspective in detail? It's healthy to have preferences before an event, but after it occurs, it's better to avoid judging the result harshly. We should go easy on ourselves and don't be too hard because we are human beings overall. We should pursue we should pursue our passions with enthusiasm from rigid expectations. And also, spirituality is recommended. Spirituality can provide a sense of purpose, resilience, and deeper fulfillment. A spiritual mindset helps people find peace against uncertainty and challenges. So I want to mention an exercise to help us build trust on life. Three good things with a twist is the name of the exercise. So what is it? Three good things with a twist is a reflective happiness exercise where each day for a week we write down three events that initially seem negative, but it actually ended up having a positive outcome or insight. The goal is to train our mind to build emotional resilience and ultimately foster a more optimistic and grateful outlook on life. So, these things are the key to have faith in people and have faith in life. So, this was the end of my presentation. I gave you tips and explained things in order for you to feel happier because these were sins that make us feel unhappy if we don't manage to achieve them or overcome them. So I hope it was useful. I hope you can use these tips and things in your life. Thank you for listening.